How to edit code in Hostinger. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to edit a code into your Hostinger website. So the process is going to be very easy. We are going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and then you are going to see the H panel. Once you are here, we are going basically to head over the websites, click on websites list, and from here, you're going to see all the websites that you have. Once you are here, we are going to click or select the website that has the Hostinger website builder logo like this one, and then we are going to click on edit website. So we have tons of websites. We are going to choose one of them by clicking on here, and we're going to wait for the Hostinger website builder to load up. It is not going to take a lot of time, so it is going to be a very fast and also quick builder and also easy process. Now, what are we going to do is to head over where we have a code. So basically, you're going to edit the code by having an embedded code installed into the specific, let's say here, Hostinger website builder. In our case, we do not have a code installed yet, so we are going to click on add a blank section. Then we are going to head over embed code. We are going to have this. I'm going to double tap that, and when you are going to double tap that or click on enter code, you're going to see the code space in here. Basically, when you are going to have a code embedded in here, you can go ahead and modify or edit that code in this specific chat box. Now, how we can make a code or bring a code. For example, you have some integrations, some embedded options, and also some simple codes. In our case, we have one of the specific, as you can see, codes. We are going to have here the YouTube code embedded. For example, we are going to try and share this video by an embedded code, and we're going to copy that code and we're going to translate it in here. So we are going to click on embedded code, and you can see that we have this specific space for the video or the quadrant of the video. Now, when you click on enter code or edit code in here, you can see that we have some elements that we can change. Basically, we can edit the height and also the width or the width and the height of the video. So for example, if I can go ahead and put the width of 720 or 1280, for example, which is going to be the normal width, and also 720 as a normal height. We're going to click on embed, and this is going to be like this. Why the height is going to be this is reversed, I think. So we are going to put this as 1280 by 720, and we are going to click on embed. This is even worse, so we're going to head over here and get the specific, as you can see, 560 of the width, and I have here 560 of the width and 315 on the height, 315 like that. And you're going to get your normal, as you can see here, video player. Also, what can you modify in here? I'm going to double tap in here or enter code. You can go ahead and modify the URL, which is going to be this of the video. You can modify the title, which is going to be here, the frame border. You can allow the accelerometer, autoplay, and etc. So this is how you can go ahead and modify or edit the code or any type of code into the Hostinger website builder. You can do that also for other codes like these, but depending on the code or the type of the code that you are going to put. For example, here we have some HTML codes that are going to be a script source that could not be, as you can see, edited, like the GS or the JavaScript ones are going to be an external source that we cannot modify it only with a simulator, like for example offsite and etc. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in another next one.